Alright, today we're going to be looking at the transmission fluid on this 2008 Nissan Quest with the 3.5 V6. It's a 5-speed automatic, and I'm going to be using a Nissan brand transmission fluid. This is what I would call a partial transmission fluid change, meaning we're not going to drain it all out. We're going to drain out what we can get out. I've warmed the engine up a little bit. I'm going to show you where to check it. Right here, this is the dipstick for the automatic transmission, and it does say Matic-K, and that's the kind we're going to be putting in there. This is the same place that you also add the transmission fluid with a skinny funnel when you're done. And we're going to take out, see how much drains out, measure that, and put exactly that amount back in. And then you can repeat this again 1 or 2 more times till the fluid looks nice and clean. I'm going to show you here in a second what the fluid looks like currently. Alright, so with the dipstick out, I don't know if you can see it really well, but it's very dark, and it's not very clear. It's usually very pink and light. This is the side you would look at if it's not really hot. It's not hot at all. It's even warmed up. It's still very, very cool to the touch. The other side says hot and has some hash marks near the top of the dipstick. Between the 2 notches is where you want to be when it's cool, so I usually flip it over there. So yeah, if I wipe it again and put it in, it's usually right there between those 2 notches. Okay, so here I am up under the car now. I got it on ramps, and here we have the transmission plug right here. So you look for this area of the engine. It's over on the driver's side more, and it's just right here near the front, real easy to get to. It looks like some sort of hex head. I'll have to get the size for that and say it, but that's where we're going to be draining out of. This does tilt the transmission back a little bit, maybe not ideal for draining it, but it's easiest for me to get to it this way. So this is how I'm going to do it. I'll show you the color of it once I get it out of there. So I'll come back when I drain some out. Alright, so I did crack it loose. I got it loose enough that it's dripping down. Able to catch it in my measured bucket here. And it looks like it was a 10mm hex. And yeah, just draining this out now, and I'll show you the color of it, what it looks like when when I can get what is coming out of it. Alright, so here I have the transmission fluid I'm using. It's genuine Nissan, and I did get this online at one of the big dealerships. Had a really good, seemed like a good price for it. It's kind of expensive. I can't remember how much I paid, but I was able to get out just at 3 quarts this way. I think the total capacity of the transmission is a little above 7 quarts, so you're not at half, but you're at least getting close to half of that change. Like I said, you can do it now, run around for a while, and do another change like that. It's really quick this way, and that way eventually you'll get most of it. Now you're not changing if there's a filter on this. I'm not sure. I'll show you right at the end the differences. I need to get a piece of paper to show you the color differences between the 2. I'm trying to recall when I changed this like this last. Alright, so here is a comparison of the old transmission fluid on the left, new on the right. Obviously very different in color. I found out it was about 90,000 miles ago when I had last changed it. So again, that only got 3 quarts out of 7. Almost, I looked it up, it's almost closer to 8 quarts total. So definitely should do this again after running it through the vehicle for so many miles and then doing the same procedure. Hope this helps someone, and thank you for watching.